There has been an enormous number of implications and confusion when it comes to the word gender. Just because it is also called sex, it is also misconsidered biologically. Gender roles in India are not evolving as fast as they should be. Especially with the advent of pandemic, it seems like there has been a stoppage. And how will Indian households overcome this debacle? It would be improper to assume that the pandemic has affected men and women equally because according to statistics data it is proven that women are affected more than men because most of them are women who are employed in the paramedical industry. So, this presents a dilemma regarding the rigid gender roles in our country by contradicting what was previously normal for men to be the breadwinner of the family, whereas the women were the caretakers of the domestic household. You might be surprised to hear this, but we are ourselves contributing to the reinforcement of the system without our own knowledge. For instance, we use the word house help when we refer to men doing housework, which is conventionally assigned to that of women, and boast about them for helping around the house. However, the word helping implies that men are merely lending a hand in fulfilling a responsibility or a burden and not satisfying their own needs or the needs of the household. According to the statistical data, women will have a greater effect as they are mostly employed in casual labor or domestic works or to small scale industry which require minimum qualification in industry oriented cities. Hence, it is evident that wage cuts are going to be at the pinnacle level during the pandemic. Another thing to notice when we look at the graph of the pandemic is that the cases of domestic violence have almost doubled from the advent of the pandemic. This in itself is an alarming understatement as the survey above only takes into account of the domestic violence cases that are reported and that come to light. What about the cases that are not reported and we are not aware of them? The reasoning that a lot of responsibilities that now men face that they did not earlier is merely situational. It is not by voluntary action or progressiveness by any means that we find this reversal and upending of gender roles, but merely because there is no other choice than for men to fairly contribute to the family because women are already doing their jobs. Unfortunately, we cannot rightly find a blame for this inherently rigid stereotypist generalized roles that more men and women play today because and we definitely cannot find an excuse for it. In the turmoil of events the world was unprecedentedly burdened with recently, there is no guarantee that the nuances and inconsistency in the relative gender roles will have a long lasting influence on how the familial social institution will continue to function. As events unfold, the dilemma of whether the state of affairs will return back to normal we are familiar with in the matter of great uncertainty and has caused a disturbance of profound proportions in the whole system. Perhaps the virus brought down a change for better, even if the change is short lived, a blessing in disguise for to both nature as well as social equity. And what we can proclaim confidently about this in the whole misery is that we are definitely taking steps to a world which is more open ended and which is more adaptable to gender roles and norms.